Hi, YouTube. When a good thing goes bad, it's not the end of the world. It's just the end of the world. That you had one girl and she's the reason it happened. But she's overreacting. It's all because she don't want to change. So cry if you need to, but I can't stay to watch you. It's the wrong thing to do. Touch if you need to, but I can't stay to hold you. It's the wrong thing to do. Talk if you need to, but I can't stay to hear you. That's the wrong thing to do. 'Cause sure say you love me, and I wound up lying. Said I love you too, but I need someone different. And that's all I want to sing. But thank you for watching, YouTube.